oh, this is the wrong spot. I have to move this wall over. To cut it, this from that. Move this wall over and then
How far? Yeah, no biggie. Okay, so this is Monday. Got a post in here, post cap for that 7 by 11 and 7/8 beam that goes over to here. We've got it cut out the top of the post here. You can see where the markings are. And we have rain all of a sudden. Tonight and tomorrow morning, I understand. We've got our beam here, all the way across, and we filled the balance of the opening with 3/4 inch plywood right there. And so this here is the stairwell. We'll try and get the stairway built in tomorrow. Got to do a little bit more plumbing. We're going to keep working. But the walls are where the rains came. And so here is the other post. And so we cut it at the lower mark there. And our lines are crisscrossing almost exactly even, side to side, front to back. So that's a good sign. So we had to get everything covered up before the rains got it. One of my favorite things. We have a materials delivery on Monday. Then I'm going to drive out myself and pick up some hangers, and Mitch is going to pick up a beam lifter in the morning. But yeah, things are coming along nicely. We've got our bottom plates are rolled, split drived into the floor. Our HDU2 shear wall hold down brackets have 16 inches of all thread in epoxy going into a footing underneath. Refer to earlier videos for that. There's the plumbing that's coming up in the closet just the way we had wanted to. The stairwell will come down over, so the ceiling above the plumbing is only going to be about 3 or 4 feet. But I think the owner is going to turn this into a wine closet, so that'll be good use for the space. And here's the other post cap. So, all right, that is Monday. I still have the camper on from a trip to Ocean Shores. Haven't got that video up yet, or maybe I will by the time this one is posted. Okay. Okay, we're still working on this one here. We have this section of wall jacked up, but we're going to have to jack it up even more to level out the back end of the house. And the whole back wall here up on the first floor is going to be removed, and we're putting a big beam across where the wall used to be. So a lot of the weight that is currently on this beam will be gone before long. We've got the stairwells in place. Here's our newest lumber delivery, all our truss joists, our big beams. And we're gonna have 3 9-foots and a 15-foot beam removed. And there they go.
That looked good.
So I just got to swing the boom arm around. He's retracting it up there. See how it telescopes? So Mitch has just learned that they sent us the wrong size of TJIs and that our hangers will not fit this size of truss joist. So we just talked with our sales rep at the lumberyard, and what they're going to do is try and locate a driver to bring us out 120 hangers for the larger size. So technically it's not a horrible thing. It throws us off because we can't do the work that we had planned, but it will give the customer a firmer, stronger floor. So in ways that works better. Just a time delay. Okay, well, I was planning to do a time-lapse today. We may still get one, but we have to make a plan. Okay. There's Mitch using one of his favorite tools in the whole world. There you go. Mitch's favorite tool in the world. And I'm getting the hanger brackets set up over on this side. This is the shear wall in the middle of the house. And that is a beam pocket. That cutout notch. Okay, it looks like we're going to get a rain out here today. But we got our correct hanger brackets in. They sent a truck down special for us. We've got our straps holding the headers to the double top plates. We've got our A35 brackets every 15 inches on this here shear wall 4 rated wall. And so anyway, with the rain out, it looks like we're just going to have to wait until tomorrow. Tomorrow morning we get the lift to put the beams in place. So we've got one 19-footer here, See where those 4x8 posts in the stairwell are. And then another 19-footer over there and a 14-footer. We've got everything is all nice and covered up. I'm getting wet. I've got my hat over the foam to keep it dry. So then this here, these are our floor joists. They gave us the TJI 210s instead of the 110s, and that's what caused the hanger bracket fiasco. But everything is all well and good now. We're getting the 210s at the same price as the 110s, I believe, and then they are a stronger beam, so the floor is going to be better in this here 15-foot span. So, alright, well, it is time to go home, and I got a bunch of bookwork to catch up on. See, there's more brackets over here, and then this wall here, this is the shear wall, and so we have the brackets all along that wall too. Okay, next stop, bookwork. Hours and hours of bookwork.